राधे राधे गाइस, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है श्री जी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मल निष्कासन या फिर एक्सक्रीट डिस्पोजल। अर्थात इससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था डिस्पोजल ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट, अब है मल निष्कासन और एक्सक्रीट डिस्पोजल। तो इसके लिए हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, तो मल निष्कासन यानी कि एक्सक्रीट डिस्पोजल। The improper disposal of excreta result many disease, example typhoid, parathyroid and paratyphoid, dysentery, diarrhea, cholera, worm infection, viral hepatitis, etc. The health hazards of improper excreta डिस्पोजल आर सेम एज दैट ऑफ एक्लमेशन ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट पीसेस सैनिटरी बैरियर में जाएंगे, ठीक है, वाटर, फिंगर, ठीक है, फ्लाइज या सॉइल इससे मिलके खाने में जाएगा और न्यू होस्ट बन जाएगा। ये ट्रांसमिशन है फीकल बॉर्न डिजीज का। द डिजीज एजेंट इज ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू द फीकस टू अ न्यू बॉर्न host through various channels, that is water, fingers, flies, soils and food. The disease cycle may be broken at various levels: segregation of feces, protection of water supplies, protection of food, personal hygiene or control of flies. Out of these, the effective step is segregation of the feces by imposing a sanitation barrier. This is a barrier is provided by the sanitary and disposal pits. Method of excreta disposal for unsewered areas. For unsewered areas, services type conventional system, सर्वेंसी सिस्टम होता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद है for unsewered area, service type, non-service type, born hole और dug well और water seal type, septic tank और aqua privacy, chemical closet, ऐसे वॉशरूम बनवाने चाहिए, ठीक है। for fair cramps एक्सेट्रा, shallow trench, deep trench, pit और bore tap hole, ऐसे वाले। for sewered areas, water carriage system and sewage treatment of primary, secondary, other method क्या है, sea outflow है, river outflow है, sewage farming है, oxidation ponds है। excreta डिस्पोजल इन अनसर्व्ड एरियाज यानी कि ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में। तो सर्विस टाइप कंसर्वेंसी सिस्टम, द नाइट सॉइल इज कलेक्टेड एंड रिमूव फ्रॉम द बकेट और पेल बाय ह्यूमन एजेंसी। द नाइट सॉइल इज ट्रांसपोर्ट इन द नाइट सॉइल कार्ट्स टू द प्लेस ऑफ फाइनल डिस्पोजल वेयर इट इज डिस्पोज ऑफ बाय कंपोजिट और बर्बेल इन shallow trench. They have all the possible drawbacks. The night soil is exposed to flies. There is always possibility of water and soil pollution. The bucket and play pails are subjected to corrosion and required frequent replacement. If the slippers go in the strike, the entire system कोलैप्स, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है नॉन सर्विस टाइप पे क्या होता है, बोर होल में द लेटरिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ सर्कुलर होल इन डायमीटर डग वर्टिकली इनटू द ग्राउंड टू अ डेप्थ ऑफ 30 to 26 feet. In loose or sandy soil, the hole is linked with bamboo matting or earthing war rings to prevent carving in the pit. A concentrate squatting plate with a central opening and foot rest is placed over the hole. A suitable enclosure is put up to provide privacy. These is used for private purpose, not for public purpose. For a family of 5 to 6 people, the capacity is of 1 year. When the content of the bore hole reaches within the 20 inches of the ground, the squatting phase is removed and the hole is closed with earth. The night soil undergo purification of anaerobic digestion. Merits or demerits. Merits and non-service need of service human for daily removal of excreta. Demerits: it have a small capacity. Merit: the pit is dark and unsuitable for fly breeding. Demerits: a special instrument auger is needed to construct the hole. Merits are no danger of water pollution if water sources away about 15 meter, and demerits: it is difficult to dig a hole if water level is low and soil is loose. Dug well: it is an improvement over the bore hole. A circular pit over 30 inches in diameter and 10 to 12 feet deep in a dug into the ground in sandy soil. The depth may be reduced to 6 to 7 feet. The squatting plate and enclosures is one same as borehole. The night soil undergoes purification by aerobic digestion. Merits: it is easy to construct and no easy instrument is required to dig. It has a greater capacity, ठीक है। उसके बाद है वॉल water seal. In these, the squatting place is fitted with a water seal which performs two functions: prevent the entry of flies and prevent the bed odor and for fall gases. Two types of designs are popular for these: PRAI and PRCA type design. PRAI design type designed by Planning Research and Action Institute Lucknow. RCA type designed by Research cum Action Institution of Ministry of Health India. Both designs have same functioning, but there are minor engineering differences. The RCA has accepted for use in different part of the countries. ठीक है. RCA location, it should be located at 15 meter away from the source of water supply and at a lower elevation to prevent the bacterial contamination of water. Squashing plate or slab, it should be made by imperviation material so that it can be washed and kept clean and dry. Slab should be 3 feet square dimension and 2 inches thickness at the outer edge with a half inch slope towards the pan. A pan of 17-inch length and 5-inch broad in the front portion and 8-inch broad in widest portion with a uniform and smooth slope to back should be there. Trap, it is a bent pipe concentrated with a pan and provide with a seal of 30.4 between the 3 by 4 inches. The its diameter is 3 inches. Water seal is a difference distance between the level of water in the trap and the lowest point in the concave upper surface of the trap. This water surface prevent the excess of flies and bad odor. Connecting pipe with a when a pit is dug away from the slab, the trap is connected to the pit by a short length of connected pipe of 3 inch in diameter and at least 1 meter of length with a bended end. Dug well, it is usually 30 inches in diameter and 10 to 12 feet deep. In loose soil, a bamboo matting or earthware ring are used to prevent caving in the pit. Superstructure. Superstructure is constructed for privacy maintenance. The square plate should be washed frequently and keep dry. These should be used for refuse or debris. People should learn to flush the pan after they use. This is a unmodified type of water seal known as Sulb Shauchalaya, which is used for public purpose. This is connected to pit of 3 into 3 into 3 feet cube where excreta undergoes bacterial decomposition and is converted to manure. Next है septic tank. It is used for disposing excreta in a liquid waste for individual houses or institution which has adequate water supply but not connected to public sewage system. Design feature capacity 2.5 to 5 feet per cube per person, minimum 500 gallons, 2250 liters. Length twice the breadth, depth 5 to 7 feet, liquid depth 4 feet, air spaces minimum 1 feet, bottom sloping towards inlet for the retention of the solid inlet and outlet. These are pipes submerged into the liquid cover. It should be concentrate slab with manhole retention period. Ideally 24 hour. Too long retention will result in undue sparsity of unfluent and too short period gets insufficient treatment. Working of a septic tank. Solids are settled down in the tank to form sludges. Next lighter solid include grease and fat rise up to the surface and form the scum. The solid are broken down into the simpler chemical compounds by the action of bacteria and fungi called aerobic digestion. The liquid passes out of the outlet called effluent. It contains bacteria, cyst, ova, organic matter, etc. This effluent is allowed to percolate in the subsoil. In the soil, the organic matter is oxidized into a stable end product, that is CO2, water, and NO3 by aerobic oxidation. Operation and maintenance. Use of soap water and disinfectant phenol should be avoided because these are injurious to bacterial flora and fauna. Deslugation at the regular interval Once a year is required. Newly built septic tanks are first filled with water up to the outlet level, which seeded with the ripe sludge drawn from the another septic tank to provide bacteria for decomposition. Next, aqua privacy. It consists of watertight chamber filled with water. A short length of a drop pipe for the latrine flow dips into the water. The tank should be circular or rectangular. A capacity of a cubic meter is recommended for all small family, allowing 6 years or more. Aqua privacies are designed for public use only. It also working is like septic tank. Night soil undergo purification by aerobic digestion, evolution of gases. So a pipe should be open above the roof of a house. It should be treated like the effluent from the septic tank by soil irrigation or absorption. The digested sludge should be removed at the regular interval. Next chemical clauses. The closest consist of a metal containing a disinfectant fluid. The active ingredient of fluid are formaldehyde and quaternary ammonium compound like Savlon, and a harmless water dye or deoxyrized substance are usually incorporated. A seat with a cover is placed on the tank. Nothing except the toilet paper should be thrown into the closets. The closets commonly used in aeroplanes, luxurious buses, etc. The सुटेबल फॉर टेम्परेरी यूज़. मेले कैंप आदि में प्रयुक्त शौचालय. शॉलो ट्रेंच क्या होता है? फॉर 100 people, ट्रेंचेस आर 100 to 10 to 12 feet in length, 1 feet wide and 3 feet to 5 feet deep. They are separate for males and females. The earth from the trench should be piled up at the side. Ablution water should be provided. People should be instructed to cover the feces with earth after use of sweeper should be posted for this. When the trench filled up to the 1 feet below a ground level, it should be covered with the earth. The shallow trenches are useful for the short period. Deep trench. The trenches are 2.5 to 3 feet wide, 6 to 8 feet deep, and length is according to the need. Depending upon the customer, a seat or a squashing plate is provided. A superstructure is built for the privacy and protection. Other requirements are like shallow trench, and they are useful for week to month cramps. Excrete disposal for sewered areas, यानी कि शहरी क्षेत्रों में. Water carrier system or sewage system. It is a method of choice for the collection and transported sewage excreta from the cities and the towns where the population and the city is high. In this system, sewage is collected and disposed by a network of undergoing pipes. These are two types of water carriage: combined and separate. Combined sewage carry both the sewage and the surface water, and separate surface sewage water is not compared to the sewage. It is system of choice of water carriage system consists of the following four elements: household sanitary fitting, water closest valve drain or sewer, 4-inch diameter pipes fitted 6 inch below the ground with a gradient towards the drain. Next, a public or street or trunk sewer. These are 9 inches to the feet, 9 to 10 inches feet diameter pipes filled with 3 feet below ground level and on a concentrate bed. There should be sufficient gradient for self cleansing. Velocity of 2 to 3 feet per second. Collected sewage is transported to a place of final disposal. Sewer apparatus, manhole straps. Manual, these are built up at every 100-meter distance. Meeting point of sewers and under inspection, repair and cleaning. Traps, these are the three places where trap for removal, grit and sand and grease for the sewage that is used under the basin of water closes house drain, joins the public drain and surface water enter the drain. Sewage, it is a wastewater product for the community and containing solid and liquid etc. dried from house, street, factories and industries. Sewage water, wastewater product which does not contain human excreta. Example, waste water from kitchen to bathroom. Composition 99.9% to 0.10% organic and inorganic solids. The offensive odor is due to the presence of organic matter. Aim of sewage purification is to stabilize the organic matter so it can decompose off safely and to convert the sewage water to a pollution of an acceptable standard of purity which can be decomposed to land, river or sea. Standard for sewage, strength of sewage. Biochemical oxygen demand. It is the amount of oxygen absorbed by the sample of sewage during a specific period. There are three places for trapped remove grit and sand grease for the sewage under the basin of water closes house drains. Public, just the public drain and surface water enter the Drain. Sewage. It is a waste for water for the community containing solid and liquid excreta derived from house, street, factories, and industry. Sludges. Water waste which do not contain human excreta. Example: wastewater for kitchen and bathroom. The average amount of sewage for the water flow through the sewerage system is 24 hours. Called the dry weathery flow. Next है composition 99 to 0.10% organic and inorganic solid. The effect of excessive odor is due to the presence of organic matter. Aim to sewage purification. Aim of sewage purification to stabilize the organic matter so it can dispose of safely and to convert the sewage water into the pollution of an acceptable standard of purity which can be decomposed to land, river or sea. Strength of sewage. तो ये कितने तरीके से होता है? 3 तरीके से. पहला BOD है, फिर COD है और फिर सस्पेक्टेड सॉलिड है. तो BOD क्या है? अमाउंट है वाटर का जो सैम्पल सीवेज होता है ड्यूरिंग द स्पेसिफिक पीरियड, स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर. स्पेसिफिक पीरियड इसका 5 दिन का, स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर इसका 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर एरोबिक डिस्ट्रक्शन और यूज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर बाय लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट इज 1 mg per liter for natural water, 3 mgs per liter for untreated domestic sewage. If BOD is 100 mgs per liter, the sewage is supposed to weaken, it is supposed to strong. COD क्या है? The oxygen equivalent of that portion of the organic matter in a sample which is susceptible to oxidation by a strong chemical oxidizer. Suspended solid क्या है? In domestic sewage usually the amount of suspended solid is 100 to 500 ppm. If greater than 100 ppm then sewage is called a weak, and lesser than 500 ppm is called strong. Sorry, ग्रेटर देन 500 और लेस देन 100 ppm. ठीक है. तो डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर अरोबिक एंड एनारोबिक. अरोबिक में एंड प्रोडक्ट हैं CO2, NH3, H2O, NO3, NO2 और SO4. एरोबिक में है एंड प्रोडक्ट CO2, NH3, CH4 और H2. मेथड ऑफ सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट. प्राइमरी एरोबिक स्क्रीनिंग करते हैं. सीवेज अराइविंग होता है डिस्पोजल वर्क के लिए. फर्स्ट पास कहाँ से होता है? थ्रू मेटल स्क्रीन विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ वर्टिकल और इंक्लाइंड स्टील बार्स situated 2 inches apart. If it separates the large floating object, example wood pipes, rakes, garbage, dead animals, etc., these objects are removed time to time and disposed of by trenching or burglary. The grit or detritus chamber. This is a long narrow chamber of 10 to 220 meter length. The velocity of sewage in this chamber is 1 foot per second. Sewage after screening is entered in the chamber where the heavier solid, the example sand and gravel, are settled. These solids are removed periodically and decomposed of by dumping or trenching. Primary sedimentation. Primary sedimentation tanks are the rectangular which hold the 1/4 or 1/3 of the velocity of the water. उसके आगे है velocity of sewage is very slow in the chamber, 2 feet per minute. 50 to 70% of solid जो होता है sediment here. Organic matter which settle down here is called sludge. The pattern degrees rise to surface to form the scum. The sludge and scum are removed periodically. Microorganisms in the sewage break the complex organic matter into the simpler soluble substance and NH3 when soluble. When sewage contain organic waste, it is treated with chemical lime, aluminum sulfate and ferrous sulfate for the quick preservation of the animal protein. Secondary treatment या aerobic treatment. Effluent for primary sediment tanks still contain living organism and organic matter in solution or colloidal state. Has a high oxygen demand and cause water and soil pollution. Requires secondary treatment by one of these two methods. TFM, trickling filter method or pre-correlating filter. It is a bed of crushed stone or clinker which is 4 to 8 feet deep and 6 to 100 feet in diameter. Effluent for the primary sedimentation tank is sprinkled on the surface by revolving device. The device consists of rotating hollow pipes having a row of holes. A very complex biological growth is formed over the stone bed consisting of algae, fungi, protozoa, bacteria known as zoological or vital layer. When an effluent percolates through the filter bed, it gets oxidized by the bacterial flora in zoological layer. This filter is biological, not the mechanical. The oxidized sewage not now lead into Secondary sedimentary or humus tank. This is smaller unit and used in towns. Activated sludge process. The heart of process is the aerobic aeration tank. Effluent for the primary sedimentation tank is mixed with the sludge drawn with from final settling tank, which is rich in aerobic bacteria. Mixture is subjected to aeration for 6 to 8 hours. After aeration, organic matter of sewage get oxidized into CO2 and H3H2O by aerobic bacteria. This is a large unit and used in big cities. Secondary sedimentation tank of final setting. Oxidizing sewage for a trickling filter or aerobic tank is led into the secondary sedimentation of final settling tank or humus tank. Sewage is retained for 2 to 3 hours in this tank. The sludge collected in secondary sedimentation tank is called aerated sludge or activated sludge, which is not offensive, rich in bacteria, nitrogen, phosphate, and of manuric value. A part of activated sludge is pumped back into the aeration tank is the activated sludge process, and the rest pumped into the sludge digestion tank for treatment and disposal. Sludge treatment. Digestion sludge is an incubated under favorable condition or of temperature and pH in the sludge digestion tank. In tank, sludges undergo aerobic and auto digestion, in which the complex solids are broken down into the water, CO2, NH3, CH4. The volume of the sludge is also reduced. The complete sludge digestion takes 3 to 4 weeks or more. The residue is not offensive, sticky and tarry mud, which becomes dry readily and form an excellent manure. Next sea disposal, land disposal. तो sea disposal sludge is decomposed of in a sea coast town and cities. मुंबई एग्जाम्पल है मुंबई, ठीक है. और स्लज लैंड डिस्पोजल का है. स्लज कैन बी डिस्पोज ऑफ बाय कंपोजिटिंग विद टाउन रिफ्यूज. नेक्स्ट है डिस्पोजल ऑफ एफ्लुएंट बाय डाइल्यूशन कर सकते हैं. डिस्पोजल ऑन लैंड कर सकते हैं बाय डाइल्यूशन के. एफ्लुएंट इज disposed of in river and stream where the impurities are further oxidized by dissolving O2 or water. The effluent of the disposal should not be suspended solid more than 30 mg per liter and 5 days BOD 20 mgs per liter. The effluent should be free from pathogenic organisms. Adequate chlorinization. The ratio of water and effluent should be at least 8:1 for proper dilution. Disposal on the land if the suitable land is available. The effluent can use for irrigation purpose. Example, the Okhla sewage treatment plant in Delhi. Other method है sea outflow, river outflow, lane treatment, farming or broad irrigation, oxidation pond and redox or sewage legumes or waste stabilization tank. ठीक है. ऑक्सीडेशन रिचेस एंड एयर लेगूम्स, ये सब भी यूज़ होते हैं. ठीक है. तो इसमें से एक लेते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन टैंक और रेडॉक्स pond or sewage lagoon or waste stabilized, and the sewage is disposed off into a open shallow pool of 3 to 5 feet deep into inlet and outlet. There must be presence of algae, bacteria, sunlight, decaying organic matter. Organic matter is oxidized into CO2, NH3 and H2O by the bacteria. Algae use these compounds with sunlight for their growth. Oxygen is taken from algae and environment. Cloudy weather lowers the efficiency of this process. Oxidation ponds and aerobic during the sunshine of the day and early hour of night, but in the remaining hour of night, the bottom layer are aerobic. The effluent may be used for growing vegetable crops discharged into river. Oxidation ditches and aerated lagoon. These are low-cost treatment method for the purification of the sewage. These methods make use of mechanical looters for extended aeration. The requirement area for the waste of 5,000 to 20,000 people in the area of 22 acres for oxidation ditches and 2.5 acres for aircrafted aerated lagoons. ठीक है. अब देखो सी फॉल सीवेजेस डिस्पोजल ऑफ इन सी विदाउट ट्रीटमेंट इन सी कोस्ट टाउन्स एंड सिटीज. एग्जाम्पल इन अरेबियन सी इन मुंबई. Purification of sewage takes place by dilution and slow oxidation. It is not a good method because of offensive solid matter may be washed down to the thrown through. Therefore, the sewage outflow is designed to discharge the sewage into deep water. At many points, river outflow, it is the most unsanitary method of sewage disposal in the river. However, the purification takes place here by dilution and slow oxidation, but in insufficient. Land treatment or sewage farming or broad irrigation. If sufficient and suitable land is available, sewage is applied to the land after grit removal, screening, and short period of sedimentation. Next, 1 acre area space insufficient for sewage of 100 to 300 persons. The land is first laid into the ridges and furrow them. Sewage is filled with furrow intermittently and crops are grown in the ridges. It is suitable for growing fodder, grass, potato, fruits, trees where fruits are at height, but not suitable for sugarcane, corn, coriander, tomato, onion, or cucumber or other underground vegetables. During rainy season, their management is difficult because they can contain zinc and there is lack of aeration. This is called sewage sickness. तो यहाँ पे ये कंप्लीट हो गया क्या, डिस्पोजल, ठीक है, क्या, एक्सक्रीटर डिस्पोजल यानी कि मल निष्कासन, ठीक है। तो अब नेक्स्ट इसके बाद क्या है, शव का डिस्पोजल, शव विषनाशन, ठीक है। तो थैंक यू, राधे राधे, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल।